Hello, dear students. Hope so you all are well. We know that you all are missing your school days, but we will be back to school not now but soon. Now, let's start from a new way of learning. So, myself Renuka Sharma, I am your science teacher. Now, let's start a new blog. Blog 5 is kinds of animals. So, in today's class, our keywords are as follows. First is physical features and second is distinct. Okay? Students, you can see different types of animals like frog, rabbit, snake, tiger, fish. Are they similar by their habitat and eating habit? We know that they are different types of animals and their habitat and eating habits are also different. Tell me, how do we identify animals belonging to other categories? So, today our aim is physical features are an easy way of sorting animals into groups. Now, can you see here the pictures of deer and tortoise? We know that a deer is a herbivore and it lives on land. And on another side, we can see that tortoise is also a herbivore and lives on land. But their habitat and body structure are different from each other. Okay? Now, here we can see that the two animals, meerkat and frog. Meerkat is carnivore and lives on land, and frog is also carnivore and live on land and water both. So their habitat and body structure are also different from each other. It is difficult to find out what an animal eats or where it lives. We would have to observe it for a long time to find this. Animals are categorized into groups according their physical features. Okay? Physical features are used as they can be seen easily. Important physical features include number of legs, presence of hair, number of eyes, and animals give birth or lays eggs. Physical features can be easily observed. Repeat again, physical features can be easily observed. We use physical features to put an animals in a group. We can easily explain how that animals is similar or different from other animals. Understood? All animals that have a distinct features that is not present in other animals are put together in one group. Here the word distinct means clearly different from others. In an easy way, we can say having different physical features. Okay? Can you see here picture of cat and tortoise? Picture of cat and tortoise. A tortoise and cat have 4 legs, have 2 eyes, lives on land, but they be in different group. Why is this so? Because they do not share a distinct physical features, so they would be in different groups. Clear? Okay, so S1 is attached in. Okay, in question 1 you need to write 2 ways in which we can sort animals into different groups. Okay, in second question you need to write a easy way to use physical features to sort animal into groups. In third question, look at the picture and write to which group these animals belong. Hope so you all have understood this LP very well. meet you in a next class. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.